I said, tell me again. He said, we have 142. So Mitch and I and Rand would like to thank very much President Obama, because nobody has ever been so generous in their life. Also with us tonight is a great warrior and a great guy.
Hello, hi, my name is Samuel Azurza for the SE channel. Welcome to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. Please subscribe and share as much as you can. Channels under whatever review, YouTube, for no reason, 0. Anyways, you know the story. Kentucky, wow. The Donald Trump, the President of the United States there. Great rally. And you got to hear what Rand Paul, I mean, you would think like, you know, Rand Paul, and you hear things about Rand Paul, rumors and so on. But boy, he lashed out on Shifty Shift. You got to hear this. Okay, you guys have to hear this. Okay, Rand Paul slamming the Democratic Party, and obviously the fake impeachment inquiry, they call it. Everything's fake by the Democrats, including themselves. Here we go.
Smart, strong, loves your state, and he's really become a good friend of mine. And I'll tell you, he's a little bit different. It's okay. But whenever I've needed him, he was always there. It's true. I mean, sometimes, like, I'd say, I don't need.
Actually, you know what? According to the media, he was always the outsider, Rand Paul. But it seems like the president disagrees with that. He's been there. He's been there. Rand Paul's been there for the president.
Did you vote, Rand? Good. Then he'll vote his own way. He's got that little libertarian touch. That's okay. That's okay. But whenever we need, and I'm not talking about me, I'm talking about we need a vote. He's so incredible, and he's become a really good friend. And I want to have him come up for a second. Rand Paul, your senator, a great warrior. President Trump has great courage. He faces down the fake media every day. But Congress needs to step up and have equal courage to defend the president. Hunter Biden made $50,000 a month. That's the definition of corruption. We know he got it only because of his family connections. We also now know the name of the whistleblower. The whistleblower needs to come before Congress as a material witness because he worked for Joe Biden at the same time Hunter Biden was getting money from corrupt oligarchs. I say tonight to the media, do your job and print his name. And I say this to my fellow colleagues in Congress, to every Republican in Washington, step up and subpoena Hunter Biden and subpoena the whistleblower. And I say to my colleagues, if Shifty Schiff will not let Hunter Biden come, and if he will not bring the whistleblower forward, every Republican in Congress should take a walk and say, this is a farce. Wow, that was excellent. Whoa. Wow. you. Thank you very much. Great job. He's a warrior. He's a warrior. I've always said it. Also with us tonight are representatives from your state.
Anyways, my name is Sam Uzurza for the SE channel. Thank you for tuning in. Subscribe and share as much as you can. And, I'll figure out a way how to make money on YouTube here. Take care. God bless.